Alright, so if anyone's wondering what winter tires are used for their G80 M3 or G82 M4, these are the winter tires. The 19s all around. Here are the specs. They are the 275 35 19s. I can't pronounce that, but they're 829M, excuse me, in jet black matte with the Michelin Pilot Alpine 5 winter tires. They go for 41.60 USD or 35.39 euros. But these are what they look like. So of course I would have went with these, but I didn't have the funds, so I used my stock wheels and put winter tires on them. Pretty nice tire.